Every day, millions of us are making this choice. Cook at home or order delivery. What if I told you one could cost you 3 times more for the same meal? Today, we crunch the numbers and expose the real truth behind food delivery costs here in the Philippines.
Welcome back to AI Cucina, here to break down the real costs behind your food choices. For today's epic food battle, we're putting the ultimate Filipino comfort food to the test: pork adobo. We'll track the exact cost of cooking adobo for a family of 5 right here in the Philippines, then compare it to ordering the same meal for the same number of people from a popular food delivery app. The results? Let's just say you'll never look at your delivery bill the same way again. First up, Team Lutong Bahay. We sourced all our ingredients locally. Here's the breakdown. Total ingredient cost, 350 pesos. This yields enough adobo for at least 5 generous servings, which brings our per-person cost to just 70 pesos for a homemade fresh meal. We also spent about an hour of active cooking and prep time. Now, for Team Food Delivery. We chose a popular local restaurant and ordered 5 servings of their pork adobo meal through a well-known food delivery app. The base cost of the food alone was 220 pesos times 5 equals 1,100. But as you can see, that's not the final price. Delivery fee of 59 pesos and a service fee of 25 pesos. Total price is at 1,184 pesos per person. After adding the delivery fee and platform service charges, our total order jumped to 1,184 pesos. That's a whopping 236 pesos and 80 centavos per person. And the time saved? About 45 minutes to an hour of waiting, depending on the rider. So, there you have it. 70 pesos per person for homemade versus 236 pesos per person for delivery. The cost difference is undeniable. But why such a huge gap? It's not just convenience. There's a restaurant secret at play. This is what many don't realize. Food delivery platforms charge restaurants substantial commissions, often 20 to 30% per order. To stay profitable, restaurants either pass this cost directly to you by raising their app prices, or they absorb it, which eats into their already thin margins. So, that convenience fee isn't just for the rider. A big chunk goes to the platform, and ultimately, it comes out of your pocket or the restaurant's profit. Which team are you on? Team Lutong Bahay or Team Food Delivery? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Cucina, and share this with a friend who loves to order in.